Welcome dear learners. I am Dr. Nilesh Kumar Tiwari from School of Management Studies, Bastar University, Jagdalpur. So today in this session we are going to learn about social responsibility of the business. We also call this term social responsibility of business as corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. So in this session we will understand the concept and meaning, then social responsibility of business towards various stakeholders, then why we go for studying the social responsibility of the business. We will also understand what is the value chain and what is the Carroll model of corporate social responsibility, and at the last we will understand the pyramid of corporate social responsibility, right. So the corporate social responsibility or social responsibility of business, it is very important to understand how business used to perform, how businesses used to work. We are talking about the private sector very specifically, because here the objective is to maximize the profit, whereas in case of government the objective is to have maximum social welfare, not having an objective of making profit. So what happens generally in a business or an organization whose objective is to productively use the resources? We can see from this slide there are two kinds of resources, there may be others as well, but broadly human resources and natural resources. So under human resources we can have skilled one, unskilled, semi-skilled, whereas in case of natural resources we can go for land and man-made building, coal, coke, oil and gas, natural gas, other natural resources. So what business or organization used to do, they will utilize all these human and natural resources and they will produce some product or service. So it is the responsibility of the business, of the organization towards society, towards human being, towards natural resources, to utilize, to use these resources in an optimum way, right. So social responsibility of the business, it is the responsibility of the business towards social, economic and environmental development of a particular region or a locality or particular nation, right. This term got very popular in 1960s and it was about the meeting the expectation, interest of the society and the values of the society at a large. So the social responsibility of business are towards various stakeholders. Number one is towards consumers, that means giving them quality products and services, value products, that means the benefit should be greater than the cost that the consumer has paid. So as a stakeholders of social responsibility of the business, that means the consumers are again very important area. Towards the government, it is the social responsibility of the business towards the government to follow the rules and regulations set up by the government, whether it is state government or the central or union government of India or any particular government in particular region. So this is the prime responsibility, it is the social responsibility. Then towards local community, that the businesses should not misutilize the local, natural resources or communities, they should not harm the local community. Then towards employees, that they should have a fair compensation, fair motivation, fair encouragement to employees, they should not exploit the employees. The social it is the social responsibility of the business. Then towards again environment, be it land, be it water, be it air. So environmental concern are again very important. So it is the social responsibility of the business to make it sure they follow the rules and regulations for environmental protection, conservation. Then towards competitors, there should be fair competition, it should not lead to unfair competition among the similar kind of product manufacturers or service providers. Next is towards investors, they should not, the businesses should not cheat the investors. In fact, they should fulfill all their promises that they have made to their investors. So, it is the social responsibility of the business, at last we can say that toward general public, because public as a as a whole, they have a particular perception or image about a particular company or organization. So, it is very important that the companies or organizations which are using the human resources, the natural resources, they should use that in an optimum way, in a sustainable way, for sustainable development. Sustainable development means utilizing the resources without affecting them for future generations. For example, all these natural resources. So, the various stakeholders which affects or towards them the social responsibility of businesses are, we have discussed this: consumers, the government, local community, employees, environment, all that, right. So, this is very important. Now, let us understand CSR, corporate social responsibility or social responsibility at a glance. So, the again in this slide we can see that they are for long period of time, longer term, that the organizations they used to have a long term vision towards society. So, there is of course some sincerity, that means whatever promises they are making to, whether it is consumers, whether it is to investors, whether it is to competitors, whether it is to market, they should be able to fulfill that. So, that is the responsibility of the corporate, that is the responsibility of the business, that they should act ethically, they should use the resources in a sustainable way, with a responsible way, so that they can achieve their objectives. So, that is very, very important. Next is why CSR, why corporate social responsibility, or why the social responsibility of business is very important to fulfill, because it is the relationship between the corporate and the public sphere. They are the agents of positive change, they affects the general public. With their increase in profit, they works as a catalyst, they develops the economic activities, they enhances the economic activities and promotes sustainability, they enhances the quality of the work life. So, this is very important that the corporate or the businesses, they should fulfill their social responsibility. Now, the importance of the social responsibility of the business, that is they should satisfy, in fact they satisfies the needs of the society through offering the products and services, and with the advancement and technology they are able to fulfill their dream or their desire or their need, want, demand. Next one is the corporate citizenship. Corporate citizenship means that they follow ethical ways of conducting business. There should be fair competition among the similar kind of companies or interdisciplinary companies as well. That means there should not be unfair competition, there should be fair competition, right. So, in this slide we can see that the management policy should be such that it enhances the growth of the economy along with the growth of the company or the organization, that is they should positively contribute towards society. So, that is why it is the prime or the social responsibility of the business that the aim of the organization should not only be the development of the particular organization, but the development of society as a whole. Then is corporate value chain. This value chain is very important to understand, because corporates they used to utilize the resources, as we have discussed, natural as well as human resources, for their development. So, they should give back to the society, right. So, shareholders contribution, what they have towards them, towards shareholders, what they have vision, how they consider them valuable, how they follow the regulations. So, all these consist of the value chain, and that is very, very important. This is the Carroll model of 1991 about corporate social responsibility. The base pillar is the economic responsibility, that is, this research was done by Carroll, and it was said that the profit objective of the organization is do what is required by global capitalism. Globally, the global capitalism, that means the objective is to development of economic activities. Economic activities should lead to economic development, but it should at the same time it should do what is required by global stakeholders. That is, it is the legal responsibility to obey or to follow the rules and regulations. While following the rules, they should be ethical, that is, doing what is expected by global stakeholders, that is, meeting the international standards. They should not cheat the consumers, and then follow good global citizenship, corporate image, that means do what is desired by global stakeholders. So, in this pyramid, in this particular this diagram in picture, you can see that the objective are very, very important as a social responsibility, of the business, right. So, thank you very much. In this session we have learned about the corporate social responsibility. In the next session, we will discuss about the evolution of the corporate social responsibility or social responsibility of the business in the world as well as in the India. Thank you very much. Thanks.